Jai Hind. Here is integration problem. Integrate 1 to 16 tan inverse square root again square root x minus 1 dx. This integration problem, this sign is integration sign and this is definite integration chapters problem. So how we solve? This is solved by using parts, by parts. So first we take first part. So according to I let we consider inverse. I means inverse, L for logarithm, A for algebraic, T for trigonometry, E for exponential. This we consider first function and this we consider second function. So by parts, first we decide which one is first function. According to I let, first function is inverse trigonometry. So that is first and this one is second function. So solve by parts. So first we write as it is tan inverse square root x minus 1 and its limit is 1 to 16. Then put minus sign, then put integration sign and again same limit. And now second part's integration. So its integration is x. Now differentiation, tan inverse square root x minus 1. So tan inverse x integration is 1 plus this term square. This term square is square root my x minus 1. Square cancel this square root sign. Now we see there is a square root. So after by chain rule, square root x differentiation is 2 square root x. So 2 this whole written as it is 2 square root x. And since we see inside there is not x, there is again square root x and its integration is 2 square root x and then dx. So first we plug in the limit tan inverse square root 16 is 4 minus 1 then minus, then second limit we plug in here. So tan inverse then square root. So square root 1 is 1, so 1 minus 1. Then this integration 1 to 16. Numerator is x. Look, the denominator. This plus 1 and this minus 1 cancel out. This is only square root x left. And this is square root x, this is square root x, cancel this x. Because square root x into square root x is x. So x cancel. So numerator get 1. And this term eliminated. 2 to the 4. 4 square root x minus 1 dx. This left. We need to solve this term. Here we write as it is first function and second function integration. It gives us x. So x is also there. So limit x we plug in. So 16 and here also limit 1 we plug. So 1. Now in this problem we assume square root x equal to solve this problem further we assume square root x equal to t square plus 1. So what happened? Look, this 16 tan inverse square root 3 written as it is minus here we write tan inverse 0 then minus 1 16 and we are plugging square root x equal to t square plus 1. So look 4 and we plug in here square root x. So some changes in the limit will be there after plugging the value. So suppose this we assume and differentiating both sides, so it becomes 2 square root differentiating with respect to t, we get dx upon dt. So 1 by 2 root x dx equal upon dt equal to, its differentiation is 2t. Now x value we again plug in and multiply other side, dx equal to, we get 4t into square root x. Square root x is nothing but t square plus 1. Square root x is t square plus 1 into dt. So using now tan inverse square root 3, its value is pi by 3 and tan 0 is 0. Now here we are changing, so its limit, look the limit, when x was 1, so it is square root 1, that means 1, so t square plus 1 equal to 1, that gives us 1 cancel out, t square equal to 0, that means t equal to 0. If we plug in 16 for x, square root 16 is 4, 1 subtract from both sides, so 3, t square equal to 3, so t equal to square root 3. And here we are plugging square root x equal to t square plus 1, so square root x equal to t square plus 1, plus 1 minus 1 cancel, only square root t square left, and numerator is written as for dx, we write 4t t square plus 1 dt. So we need to solve this integration. So 0 to 3 limit, 4 cancel, and this square root t square become t, so 4t cancel, left is t square plus 1 dt. So it first term is 16 pi by 3 minus t square integration is t cube by 3 and 1 integration is t, and its limit is 0 to 3, 0 to square root 3. Further plugging the value, 16 pi by 3 written as it is minus, so t cube is there, so t is square root 3, so it becomes 3 square root 3 upon 3 plus again square root 3 minus, when we plug in the 0 we get 0. So finally we get 16 pi by 3, so this 3 cancel, this is square root 3, this is square root 3, so it become plus is there, so 2 is square root 3. So this is the solution answer of this problem. So it is quite lengthy wise question, but it is very simple when we do in the steps. I hope you have understood. Okay.